guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Sandra Nono. So today I am going to be taking you through on how to basically create an easy equities account, right? So nowadays it's very easy. If you have a Capitec account, you are able to access easy equities automatically just by virtue of you having a Capitec account, which then makes it easy for you when you want to do your like transfers through to your easy equities account. So I believe that this makes it easy also for you if you're in instances where you want to bank your change. Remember, with easy equities has penny shares, right? Shares that are like worth less than £1. So I feel like with the Capitec app, it's then easy for you to be able to transfer all your change into your easy equities account and just basically buy your penny shares and just basically keep on growing them and growing them and growing them from there. So also, if you don't have a Capitec account, you can go to your Google Play or just basically any application that is alike and follow the prompts. All you just need is your email address and basically to set up a password. Then when you are done, you just need to follow the prompts. You go underneath. If you're using a smartphone, there will be somewhere where it says invest, portfolio, and so you just have to go to invest, and then easy equities, depending on what you have selected, they'll give you a reference code. Then you just go to your bank account and then you just basically transfer your money and then start investing in stocks. It's that easy, guys. If you have time, check it out. Just go to your Google Play or a similar app and try just to download it and play around it. Easy Equities even makes it easy for you because it is a demo account. I think it is like 10,000 US dollars or somewhere there, like 10,000, 100,000, I don't know, somewhere there. So you're able to just basically monitor the stocks that you have chosen before you can actually get into them if you want to get into them. So makes things very, very easy for you guys. So for me, my opinion, right, I'll suggest that you go for easy equities because for me, I feel like it's a very affordable way of right, investing, especially if you're going to focus on penny shares. You basically do not lose much because if you develop a culture of just basically saving your shares, saving your change, and just basically investing your change in stock. Your change can be R5, R10, R3, anything really. I'm going to make an example with Rainbow Capital. If you are familiar with your news, your money web, and your investment.com, you would know that I think it was last year, I think it was 2020, Rainbow Capital, which is the company that is inclusive of Time Bank, right? The shares, I think they went from like R3, and like I think like in a year or so they were like R11, and they just keep on growing and growing and growing. So imagine if you just one of those people that had just invested like at R3 into your Rainbow Capital share. Later on, like fast forward 2 years, 3 years, how much would you have had? So for me, it's something that is worth pondering on. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.